Hello everyone. So today we will start the topic which is the number system of grade 9, and in this complete video you will get the all of the topics whichever is covered in this chapter, okay? And mainly we will focus on the NCERT part, and rather than if the example will come, that will be not from the NCERT part, it will be mostly from the other books and all, or maybe from the worksheets, okay? And if you watch the full video, I will make sure that you will cover up the whole chapter by your single video, okay? And mainly this video duration will be mostly by 20 minutes or 25 minutes max to max. In that 25 minutes you can able to complete the whole chapter, okay? So without wasting the time, let's start with the chapter. So chapter name is what? Number system, okay? Here in this one, first let's talk about the what we will discuss. So first one is rational number, okay? Just opposite irrational number. Then what will come? Then uh, decimal expansion we will discuss how to do and all. Then in this one, irrational after decimal expansion, and some example will be related to that, rational number and irrational will be also there. And then we will move to the next one, which is fourth one. So examples we will take also based upon these three above topics. After that, the fifth one mainly on finding rational number and irrational number between two numbers, okay? Then the sixth topic will be of sixth topic will be of proving that the number is rational number, okay? Next one will be just how to add, subtract, multiply and divide all rational or irrational number, okay? Just I wrote rational and irrational, fine. So don't get confused that this one is what later, okay? Then next one will be let me just write the conclusion, then we'll start with the each and every topic, okay? Don't worry about it. If you're feeling that video is getting late, so don't worry about it. I'm just checking around the nothing should be missed, right? It should not be missed. Then next topic will be the last one, rationalize. We'll write rationalization, okay? Rationalization. Then what will come next will be that's all. So in this chapter, how many topics are? Only one more is there, laws of exponents, okay? Laws of exponents. In this topic, mainly these topics are there in this chapter. So how many? 3 plus 3 plus 9, okay? So total 9 are there, okay? And we will cover up by in 20 minutes we will cover all each other topic, okay? So shall we start with the rational number? Okay, so let's start with the rational number part. So let's take a next page. Let's shift me and let's take a next page. Wait, let's have a blank one. This is my personal thing, so so let's switch. Now let me get it here only. Now let's start. What was the first topic? That was rational number, right? Rational number, right? Okay, in your previous class also you might have heard that what is a rational number and all. So let's it will be like a revision class, right? So let's start. So a number, the number in the form of what? form of p by q, right? We used to write p by q, right? We can take any variable, but mainly we used to take p by q, right? And here p and q is what? p and q is p and q is an integer, right? Where it is compulsory that q should not equal to 0. So mainly this is a definition part of the rational number. Let's take an example. Can we write 1 by 2? See, 1 is also integer, 2 is integer. What it means? See, 1 is what? P, 2 is what? Q. Both are integer, right? And q is not equal to 0 also. So what it means? It is a rational number, right? So like this way you can like write many examples. There are infinite number of examples in this rational number. And if we talk about just the opposite of that irrational number, in that one, what is that? Just opposite of the rational number, okay? So the number which is not in the form of what? Can you say the answer? Not in the form of p by q, right? Where q is not equal to 0, which is not in the form of. So let's take an example. What are the numbers which is not in the form of p by q? Can anybody think about it? Okay, so I will write on the like, see the root numbers like root 2, is it in the form of p by q? No, so it is irrational. Root 3, is it in the form of p by q? No, right? It is again irrational, right? Now let's talk about the exceptional. Root 4, is it in the form of p by q? It is not in the form of p by q now, but root 4 answer is what? 2, right? But 2 is what? This one is a rational number, right? So root 4 is also a rational number. So don't confuse in the things like every root number is like irrational number. It is not compulsory. Here I wrote root 2, root 3. These are the irrational one. I am writing IR. Just you have to make sure. Okay, these are the irrational number. Now, but root 4 is a rational number because the answer is 2, right? And 2 is what? Rational number only. See, any number is there, 2, 3, 4. By default, 1 is there, no? By default, every number is getting divided by 1. So, like here I am getting the answer 2. What it means? See, 2 by 1 can I write? Same thing. 2 is what? P. 1 is what? Q. And Q is not equal to 0 also here. Right? Same thing applies here also. Same thing applies here also. So, if you will see any single number also, what it means? That is a irrational number. Okay? Shall we switch to next topic? So, now let's take another one. Let's have a new page. Okay, so the third topic was decimal expansion. In this one, see, we can categorize like what are the things and all. So let's take a very easy example. Assume we have 3 by 7 as a rational number. Okay, we have to do the decimal expansion of that one. So like many of you can able to just find like by the help of the topic only you can able to get it like what we have to do in this one, right? So let's take 3 inside, 7 outside. We have to just expand. See, 3 is here, 7 is here. We can't divide now. What we will do? Add decimal. Here 0 will come, right? After putting decimal only 0 will come. See, check my arrow. First you listen and check my arrows also where I am just degrading. Okay. Now here is 30 now. What we can apply? 7 4s are 28. Subtraction is what? 2. Decimal is there. Again we can add 0. Now again 7 2s are 14. 6. Again we can add 0. Now what we can apply? 7 8s are 56, right? Again 4. Again 0 will come. Now what we can apply? 7 5s are 35. Again 5 will come, right? Again 0. 7 7s are 49. So are you getting it? What it mean? See, what is our quotient here? 4 2 8 5 7 dot 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 dot. How I don't know how many number will be there, right? So if you are not getting r equal to 0, see this part is the decimal expansion part. Okay, after expanding it we have to write one thing what I'm telling you now. See, here we are not getting r equal to 0. You have to just focus on this mainly part because this is important one I'm just discussing. Okay, so here we are not getting r equal to 0, right? So what it mean? If you are not getting r equal to 0, what it mean? This fraction is what? Non terminating. Okay, Non-terminating, think about it. Non-terminating is what? If you are not getting r equal to 0. See, this part will be infinite times. No, I don't know when it will get stopped. Maybe it will not stop also, right? So what is that? Non-terminating, right? Okay, now, and it is non-terminating also and non-recurring also. Okay, I will tell you the meaning of recurring here. What is the meaning of recurring? Okay, assume we have, assume like this answer. Here we have 4, 2, 8, 5, 7. All are different number, right? All are different here. That stands for non-recurring. Assume again we will get answer root like decimal 3, 3, 3, 3 like that. If the same number is getting repeated again and again, what it mean? We used to put the bar on the 3 because bar stands for what? It thing is getting repeated infinite times, right? Right or not? So if the thing is getting repeated, that means recurring. Same number getting repeated till infinite times, that it means recurring. If the number is getting repeated, not repeated, then it is non-recurring. You got it? Again I am repeating it. See, here I divided this part, I got the quotient, it is infinite times, but not even a single number is getting repeated, right? That is non-recurring. And if you are getting infinite time only and number is same only 3, 3, 3, 3 like that, or any number, that means recurring. Is it okay now? Let's switch to the next example, you will get it. See, I will tell you the that recurring example. For example, we have assume 10 by 3, assume we have. Okay, we have to divide now. Okay, shall we start? Okay, see. Okay, 3 nines are, 3 threes are 9, 1. Now decimal will come, again 0, again 3 threes are, again 9, 1, again 0, again 3 threes are 9, 1, again 0, 3 threes are, again 9. So what it means, see, this 1 will get again and again. What is the quotient here now? 3.333 dot 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 dot. What it means? 3 is getting repeated again and again. What we will write the final answer? We will put bar on the 3. Bar stands for what? That 3 is getting repeated infinite times. So here this one is also non-terminating, and what we used to write? Non-terminating and recurring, right? This is the thing. Now I think you got it. So what we used to write non-terminating and recurring, and what is the example of non-terminating also and non-recurring also. Got it? Got the example, everybody? Shall we switch to next topic? So loud take the next topic, which was what? Anybody have idea about it? See, I will check from here. I wrote the content part where I wrote the content part. Yeah, here. See, the first part is done, second part done, third part done, examples also done. Now find rational and irrational between two numbers. Now let's take a blank page. See, let me take me in the middle. Yeah. So now I assume we have a question. Find 5 rational number between 1 and 2. We have example. Okay, how to find it? See, take a number line, 1 here, 2 here. Okay, we have to find the any 5 rational between this. See, if you can imagine, there are infinite number of rational number are there in this 1 and 2. We have to just pick only 5. Okay, what we can do? See, one process which is somehow lengthier one, but it is a basic process. I will tell you the basic one only. Okay, see, whatever is a number given, what is number given? 1 and 2. Okay, add it, 1 plus 2, and every time divide by 2. Okay, what is answer? 3 by 2. Okay, this one is our first rational number. So I am dividing with by 2 now. What it mean? We are dividing this number line into 2 equal parts, right? Somehow this part 3 by 2 will come, right? Now for finding the second one, what we can do? Again take 1 and take 3 by 2 now. Okay, So 1 plus 3 by 2 divided by again 2. What you will get? Again the middle term, right? So okay, what is the answer of this part? First you have to solve this part only. So what is the answer of this? 5 by 3 by 2 and by 2. So 8 by 2 by 2, and this will be multiplied. So 8 by 4. What is the answer? Wait, I just have to rub something. It is, wait, 2 minutes. Give me 2 minutes. Here, yeah, now again. See, this will be 5 by 2 and this 2 will be multiplied. So answer is what? 5 by 4. What it mean? Again, we got the number 5 by 4. Again, this is the second rational number. Okay. Two of the rational number we found now. See, 3 by 2 we got, 5 by 4 we got. Now what we can do to find the third one? Take this and take this. So what it means? See, 3 by 2 plus 2 by 2, right? Now, so 3 by 4 by 2 by 2, 7 by 2 by 2, and 7 by 4. Again, what is the middle term of this? 7 by 4. We got the third one. See, third one I'm just circling. Third one we got. Now take 1 and 5 by 4 now. You can take anything, I just taking randomly, okay? Now this, after taking, you will get 9 by 8. We got the fourth one. And now I will take 7 by 4 and 2. So 7 by 4 plus 2 by 2. Now this one will be 15 by 4 by 2, and last is 15 by 8. See how I found it. See, again I am repeating it. Find 5 rational between 1 and 2. Okay, whatever is a range given, add it, divide by 2. You will get the middle term, right? You got the first rational number. Now what you will do? Take that new number and add with another, again divide by 2. You will get the second. Again take the third number, like this way. This pattern just continue. If here is 10 rational number you have to find, what you will do? 10 times same thing. Here I just want 5 rational numbers, I did like this way. And every time I'm just dividing by 2 only. So you can also do that same thing. Add it and divide by 2. You will get the number. Again add it, divide by 2. Like this pattern. Is it okay? Everybody? Okay, shall we switch to next topic? Okay, so let's take like what is the next topic I wrote in the content part. Where is the, yeah, here. So this part is also, now proving that the number is rational number. Okay, fine. See how to do it. I will tell you. Let's take a new page here only. Okay, fine. See, assume we have a question. Prove that is a rational number. Okay, assume we have a question. Just now we discussed about this part. 0.2 bar stands for what? 0.2222 till infinite times, right? Now whatever is a question, assume as x. So let 0.2 bar be x. Done. Now x value is what? 0.222, like that, right? Now see, we have to multiply number both sides. So what we will do? See, check the bar only. Bar is only on the single digit. Only on the single digit. So that means if it is a single digit, you have to multiply by 10. If it is a double digit, multiply by 100. If it is a triple digit, then what to multiply? 1000. Are you getting it? Here is only, bar is only on the single digit. So multiply by 10. So I will write multiply both side by 10. Done. Now multiply both side. So 10 into x and 10 into 0.2222 dot 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 dot. This part I multiplied, this part. Now 10 into x is what? 10x. Done. Now see, 10 into this. So decimal will shift one digit. So 2 decimal 2222. This one. Done. Now come to this part, 10x. Now see, this part we have to expand in that way that one part should be the x value. What is x value? This one. And one part different value. Okay, so how to expand it? See, can we write 2 plus 0.2222? If we will add these two, again we will get this. Can we expand like this? And see, if you will see, this part is the value of x, right? Just now we assume here, now see, So 10x equal to 2 plus, can we replace with x, right? Okay, 10x, take this x that side, so minus x is equal to 2. Now 9x equal to 2 and x equal to 2 by 9. See, we got 2 by 9. What is that? P by q. Q is not equal to 0 also. What that it mean? This is a 2 by 9 is what? X value is 2 by 9. What it mean? This is a rational number. Are you getting it? What I did again, I am repeating it. See, 0.2 bar is there on a single digit. Okay, whatever is the question, assume as x. Done. Here was the bar on a single digit, that was multiply with 10. Okay, multiply both side. Okay, now this term I'm just taking here. See, you have to expand in that way that one part should be the x value. Okay, see, I expanded 2 plus like this way, and this, write the rest term, you'll get the x value. That's all. Is it okay? Shall we switch to next topic? Okay, so let's switch to next topic. Okay, first look around the what was the content part and all. Okay, so this part is also done. Okay, now how to add, subtract. Okay, fine. Now let's take a new page only. Okay, so first we will go for the addition. Example, we have 2 plus root 2 and 3 plus root 2. Again we have a question like this. Okay, what you will add? See, we have to do addition, so write in the addition form, plus addition 3 plus root 2. Okay, now add this 2 plus 3, what is that? 5. And root 2 plus root 2, right? See, both are same now, root 2 plus root 2. Can we write 2 root 2? By default 1 is there now. 1 plus 1 is what? 2 root 2, right? Let's take another example. Assume we have 2 root 3 plus 4 root 2 and 2 root 2 plus 4 root 3. Assume we have a question like this. Now first write in the summation. Yeah, so I wrote like this. Done. Now see, root 3 and root 3 add together, root 2 value and root 2 value add together. So here is 2, here is 4. What is answer? 6 root 3. Okay, here is 4, here is 2, 6 root 2. Done. That is answer. So like this way, whichever is equal, like root 3 was there, root 3 is here, so that way they added both. So you have to just add like this way, whichever is the same, add like that way. Is it okay? And same case if we will come for subtraction, for assume we have 5 plus 4 root 5 and 6 plus 4 root 5. Assume we have a question. Okay, how to write this? See, now we will put negative term. After negative term, what it mean? Put the things in the bracket. Done. Okay, 5. Now multiply the bracket first. Done. Okay, 5 minus 6, what is that? Minus 1. Okay, 4 is here, 4 is here. See, plus 4 root 5 minus, can we cancel it? What is answer? Minus 1 only. You can cancel only the equal digits. See, here was root 5 and here was root 5. That was I cancelled it. If it is opposite, you can't cancel it. Is it okay? Same thing like a addition only. Now let's take a multiplication one. Let's take a new page. Now multiply. Now we assume we have 2 root 2 into 3 root 2. Assume we have small question. So first you multiply 2 into 3, 6. Okay, here root 2 into root 2. The formula is one there. Root a into root a is what? A only. This is the formula. A value will be same, so answer is a. Here is root 2 into root 2. What is the answer? 2 only, right? Answer is 12. Like this we just need to multiply. Again, if we have assumed 6 root 5 into root 5. Okay, so 6 into 1, 6 only. Now root 5 into root 5. Again, see, both values are same, so 5 only, and the final answer is what? 30. Like this way you need to multiply. Now I believe you got it, right? Let's go for the next topic. Next topic is here rationalize. Let's take an example. Assume we have 1 by root 7. See, rationalization means what? In the denominator it is in root value, right? We have to exclude that root value, that's all. So how to exclude it? See, whatever is the question, take a value 1 by root 7, multiply. Whatever is the denominator, multiply with that in numerator also and denominator also. Okay, whatever is the value. Now 1 into root 7 only. Now root 7 into root 7, what we can write? 7 only. Same thing again, root a into root a is what? A. Same thing, root 7 and root 7. So 7. See, in the denominator that root got excluded, no. Okay, this one was the basic question. Assume we have a question like this now. Root 2, root 7 like this. Assume. Okay. In this question, what you will do? In this kind of question, just we need to do one thing. Here was the sign negative, right? You have to multiply with positive one. That's all. Same numbers, just change the symbol. Okay. Now 1 into this part. Same thing. Okay, now see, can you able to see a minus b and a plus b? What is the formula of a minus b and a plus b? If you remember, the formula is a square minus b square. Okay, do the formula. Okay, a value is what? Root 2 whole square minus b value is what? Root 7 whole square. Done? Now write the term 2 root 2 plus root 7 and divide by, okay, root 2 whole square 2 minus root 7 whole square 7 only, and do the last subtraction below. So minus root 5, that is answer. So in the rationalization, what we need to do, just change the symbol. Here was negative, multiply with positive. If it is positive, multiply with negative. That is the main part. Is it okay? Good. Now come to the last topic, exponents. See, the last topic of this chapter, what is that? Laws of exponents. Okay. Okay, assume we have a. I will just write the formula first, then we will take the example. See, a power p into a power q. What it means? See, if base are same, a and a, correct? So if multiplication will come, what you will do? You will add the power p plus q. That is the right final answer. It was in the case of multiplication, you have to add. When it is a case of division, what you will do? Subtraction. Okay. Now see, assume we have a power p whole power q. What in this one, what you will do? You will just multiply the all power. See, p into q. That's all. Now d. Assume we have a power p into b power p. Okay, here see, base is different now, correct? Power is same, right? P and p also. What you will do? Just multiply a and b only and write power p. That's all. So these are some basic formula you need to remember. Okay. Now based on this only, let's take example. Assume we have example here. I will take the example here only. Okay, 2 to the power 2 into 2 power 3. Okay, what we will write? See, base is same, 2 2. Write 2 only, and whatever is the power, just add it. 2 plus 3. What is the answer? 2 power 5. Are you getting it? Now take the example of this one. Assume we have 5 power 2 and 5 power 3. Okay. Now what you will do? Again, see, base is same. So 2 minus 3 you will do. And 2 minus 3 what? Minus 1. That's all. That is the answer. Okay, example this one. 5 power 2 into 3. In this one, what you will do? Multiply the power. 2 into 3 is what? 6. That's all. Okay, in this part, let's take example. A power p. Assume we have 3 power 2 into 5 power 2. In this one, what you will do? Just multiply the base only. So 15 power 2. So like this way you can answer. Okay. And like for this topic, we had covered all the topics and all in this chapter. Like if you have a doubt, you can ask me in the comment option, and like I can clear your doubt in that one also. And maybe like from some days after, we will start the live classes also. So I will give you the link in the comment box only. Okay. So like let's conclude the chapter, and like we will meet in the next one, which will be the different chapter of the grade 9 syllabus. Okay. First we will cover up the grade 9 syllabus only. Okay. So let's conclude for today, and like thank you. Okay.